Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we're back to doing boxes. It's that time for our favorite box. Which one is it? I bet you can guess. That's right. Magic at your door. That's all coming up right now. Alright, so this is technically June's box, but you are watching this, I don't know, is it?
It'll be July.
Yeah, you're watching this at the beginning of July. This is the gold box. The gold box is $124.99 and free shipping. And if you've never gotten a box before, ever, you can use our code, and we'll talk about that later, so that you can get $10 off your first box. So, this company, hugely customizable, tons of preferences. You can also join their Facebook group, which there's a link down in the description, so you can go and join that. Tons of cool people. And they have a wish list, which I will... So you can go through this wish list. It changes fairly often, at least once a month. I always go on there and check out what's new, unselect things that I have received, and select things that I would like. And because of that, we always get things that we really enjoy in our box. So it's kind of up to you to make sure that you love your box, make sure that your preferences are very detailed and you're on the wish list. And then also sometimes they just post things in the group and say, hey, check out this. And you can say, hey, I like that. So, you know, be your own advocate and make sure that you really enjoy what you get. So let's see if we enjoy cutting boxes open. I got it. Whoa! Alright. Okay. Put this way. Still trying to figure out how to do this with the new setup. Okay, so we've got our monthly newsletter. I will throw that up there so you can take a look. This has all the color coding. Whoa, there's some new colors on here that I haven't seen in a while. Amethyst, maroon, and tan. And then it talks about a new product launch, which is their See You Real Soon box. And talks about how you can earn money with their referral program. And if you would like to take a closer look, feel free to hit the pause button and check it out. Alright. Ooh. So we've got white, silver, orange, and red. Here we go. Ready? Oh, there's a red box! Okay. We're gonna save the red box. Let's see what we've got going here. That's super cute. This is a tickled a little bit. This is a postcard that is up, and I will take it out of the plastic so you don't get the reflection off and throw a better picture up right there for you. From Wonderground Gallery, $6 in the park. Very cute. That is one that really should be framed. I like that a lot. Alright. This is from my wish list. I know I've been saying this a lot lately, but I'm really far behind on my Metal Earths. But I really wanted this one. This is the Mickey's Fun Wheel from Disneyland. And it's super colorful. I've seen a couple people that put this one together. It looks extremely tedious for all the little cars and all the little tracks, and it'll be a lot of fun. I'll put a better picture in the photo box so you can take a look at it. And I know that I'm not going to have time to get this one put together right away, but one of these days I'm going to do a whole video on Metal Earth and maybe do a time lapse of putting one together and then show you all the ones that I have put together so you can check them out because they're pretty cool. This is $22 in the park. Alright. We've got a gold pouch. We will save this for later. And there's a shirt. Oh, I know what this is. Alright, so Mary had requested a Spirit jersey. How perfect is that for 4th of July? And we're gonna see how it fits.
It fits. Thanks, Mike and 001. Now I have to get back into something comfortable.
Ah, much better. Alright. I didn't mean better. Alright.
Wow.
We're just gonna move on to this. I can't believe how... Oops. Okay. Jim Shortime. Aww. Look at how cute. That's exactly how Mary acts when I'm gone. She told me to say that that's how I am when she's gone, but I flipped it on. I put a good picture in the photo box. Boop! Check that out. He's so cute. His shoes are super cute, and I like the little design on his shorts. That's really nice. That's gonna work just fine up there. I don't have this one. This was also from my wish list. So that's really cool, and you can hear my Rottweiler barking outside. Things are going smoothly today. Alright, I didn't forget. Legendary gold pouch that I'm going to put over my dog's muzzle. Nope. Oh, I really like that pin. It's it says Mickey's American it says American Classic Mickey Mouse since 1928. It's a double pin back, and I will put a much better picture in the photo box. Boop. I really like that. It's just a classy design, very nice pin. Thank you very much. And this one's silver. Silver is $10. Very cool. And then the last thing in here, I know exactly what it is. So every month, if you get the gold box, you get one of their fantasy pins. So Magic at Your Door, they have these pins, they design them and have them made. And there's one for each month, and this is June's. And it's got Olaf on it, and they made the castle look like a sand castle, and there's a little umbrella. And I will try to get a really good picture, boop, so you can see that. And if you would like to see, what have I got? So we've got 6 now, I can boop, 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 so you can see all those. These are cool, and these don't count towards your value whatsoever. They just throw these in there, so it's not, doesn't use up any of your value or anything like that. It's just a bonus, but I always, you know, if this pin's $10, this pin's at least $10, and the cool thing is that these are pretty darn exclusive because they're not making millions of them. So that's a cool thing to have. And eventually I'll have a pin board with just Magic at Your Door pins on it. Alright, so if you would like your own Magic at Your Door box, go down in the description. There is information. You have to click on the link that's in the description and it will give you the code that you can use to save $10 off your first box. That only works if it's the first time you've ever ordered from them. Otherwise, there is no discount code for that. And that's it. If you would like to take a look at last week's video, it was a giveaway video of the Minnie Mouse main attraction Tiki Room backpack. So if you'd like to look at the giveaway video, that you're still eligible to get into that one, and the rules are all in that video. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, which we would really appreciate, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.